Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ قَالُوا نُؤْمِنُ بِمَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْنَا وَيَكْفُرُونَ بِمَا وَرَاءَهُ وَهُوَ الْحَقُّ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا مَعَهُمْ قُلْ فَلِمَ تَقْتُلُونَ أَنْبِيَاءَ اللَّهِ مِنْ قَبْلُ إِنْ كُنْتُمْ مُؤْمِنِينَ. And when it is said to them, the Jews, believe in what Allah has sent down, they say, we believe in what was sent down to us, and they disbelieve in what which came after it, while it is the truth confirming what is with them. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to them, why then have you killed the prophets of Allah aforetime, if you indeed have been believers? وَلَقَدْ جَاءَكُمْ مُوسَى بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ ثُمَّ اتَّخَذْتُمُ الْعِجْلَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَأَنْتُمْ ظَالِمُونَ. And indeed, Moses came to you with clear proofs, yet you worshipped the calf after he left, and you were zalimun, polytheists and wrongdoers. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ وَاسْمَعُوا قَالُوا سَمِعْنَا وَعَصَيْنَا وَأُشْرِبُوا فِي قُلُوبِهِمُ الْعِجْلَ بِكُفْرِهِمْ قُلْ بِئْسَ مَا يَأْمُرُكُمْ بِهِ إِيمَانُكُمْ إِن كُنتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. And remember, when we took your covenant, and we raised above you the mount, saying, hold firmly to what we have given you, and hear our word. They said, we have heard and disobeyed, and their hearts observed the worship of the calf because of their disbelief. Say, worst, indeed, is that which your faith enjoins on you, if you are believers. قُلْ إِنْ كَانَتْ لَكُمُ الدَّارُ الْآخِرَةُ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ خَالِصَةً مِنْ دُونِ النَّاسِ وَتَمَنُّوا الْمَوْتَ إِنْ كُنْتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. Say to them, if the home of the hereafter with Allah is indeed for you specially, and not for others of mankind, then long for death, if you are truthful. وَلَنْ يَتَمَنُّهُ أَبَدًا بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالظَّالِمِينَ. But they will never long for it, because of what their hands have sent before them, for example, what they have done. And Allah is all-knower of the zalimun, polytheists and wrongdoers. وَلَا تَجِدَنَّهُمْ أَحْرَصَ النَّاسِ عَلَى حَيَاةٍ وَمِنَ الَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا يَوَدُّ أَحَدُهُمْ لَوْ يُعَمَّرُ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ وَمَا هُوَ بِمُزَحْزِحِهِ مِنَ الْعَذَابِ أَنْ يُعَمَّرَ وَاللَّهُ بَصِيرٌ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ. And verily, you will find them, the Jews, the greediest of mankind for life, and even greedier than those who ascribe partners to Allah, and do not believe in resurrection, Magians, pagans, and idolaters. Every one of them wishes that he could be given a life of 1,000 years, but the grant of such life will not save him even a little from due punishment, and Allah is all-seer of what they do. قُلْ مَنْ كَانَ عَدُوًّا لِجِبْرِيلَ فَإِنَّهُ نَزَّلَهُ عَلَى قَلْبِكَ بِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ وَهُدًى وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel, let him die in his fury, for indeed he has brought this Quran down to your heart by Allah's permission, confirming what came before it, for example, the Torah, and the Injil, Gospel, and guidance and glad tidings for the believers. मन काना अदव्व लिल्लाहि व मलाइकतिहि व रुसुलिहि व जिब्रीला व मीकाला फ इन्नल्लाहा अदव्व लिल काफिरीन. Whoever is an enemy to Allah, His angels, His messengers, Jibrail, Gabriel, and Michael, then verily Allah is an enemy to the disbelievers. وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ وَمَا يَكْفُرُ بِهَا إِلَّا الْفَاسِقُونَ. And indeed, we have sent down to you manifest ayat, these verses of the Quran, which inform in detail about the news of the Jews and their secret intentions, and none disbelieve in them but fasiqun, those who rebel against Allah's command. أَوَكُلَّمَا آهَدُوا أَحَدًا بَذَاهُ فَرِيقٌ مِّنْهُمْ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. It is not the case that every time they make a covenant, some party among them throw it aside. Nay, the truth is, most of them believe not. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.